Moving on to the Royal Society of Chemistry.
Good morning. 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean each year, causing damage to marine ecosystems. Is the 25-year environment plan good enough and quick enough to minimize plastic waste and ensure the protection of our oceans?
Well, again, that's a really good. So I raised this point about plastics in the House of Commons just last Thursday, because I would say that as well as the terrible scenes that we've seen in the oceans, there are also terrible scenes in my constituency and streets that have, almost literally rivers of plastic waste running down them. And so, like many MPs, I've pledged to pass on plastic and not use disposable one-use plastics. So we need to have ambitious plans, and I think that the environmental plan is long overdue, but it wasn't really strong enough, and it's missing an opportunity to make a significant progress on the environment. So we need, especially as we're leaving the European Union, which means that it's not clear whether we will be continually signing up to environmental protections and targets. So we would like the government to confirm that how the plan will reflect our leaving the European Union, and whether we'll be continue to signing up to European Union standards. And we've called also for a bottle return scheme and other stronger measures, particularly for local authorities, so that they can take action on the plastics where they're sort of generated in the streets and in the businesses of our country.
A supplementary from the British Ecological Society.
Morning. Just following on from that, what do you think works best, a carrot or stick approach to reducing the use of plastics?
I was going to say, when I stand on streets in Elsick in my constituency and see the river of litter there, I'm very much in favour of a stick, I have to say. But looking at it kind of on an evidence basis, I think you do need both, and I think you really do need to give significant powers to fine and to make the polluter/producer pays. I think that's really important, but also then celebrating those who do well and one of the great things about the if you like the work, the Blue Planet, and the sort of, if you like, that kind of, it's basically science, media, communications, is it identifies something that people feel passionately about, many people feel passionately about, and then links that to a pressing environmental problem, which is plastics. So that's really a carrot, if you like, cleaner oceans, cleaner streets. So I guess I'm saying in a very sort of politician way that you need both, but you certainly do need the stick.
Thank you. And the next question is from the Institute of Physics.
Hi, I'm